Today, we'll show you how to sound more natural and fluent by transforming simple phrases into advanced ones. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and comment below your English phrase of the day. Let's get started.
I'm very happy.
I'm over the moon. This phrase is a fun idiom that means extremely happy. I'm over the moon.
I'm a little sad.
I'm feeling down. Feeling down is a more natural and emotional way to express sadness. I'm feeling down.
I'm very tired.
I'm exhausted. Exhausted is a stronger, more natural way to express extreme tiredness. I'm exhausted.
I don't like it.
It's not really my cup of tea. This is a common idiom to say you don't like something in a softer way. It's not really my cup of tea.
Let's meet tomorrow.
Can we catch up tomorrow? Catch up means meeting to talk and share updates. Can we catch up tomorrow?
I don't know.
I have no idea. I have no idea is commonly used in spoken English to express confusion. I have no idea.
Hello, how are you?
Hey, how's it going? How's it going sounds more casual and commonly used in daily conversations. Hey, how's it going?
Goodbye.
See ya. See ya is more casual and commonly used. See ya.
I have to go.
I gotta run. Gotta run makes it sound more dynamic. I gotta run.
I'll call you.
I'll give you a ring. Give you a ring is a common idiom for calling someone. I'll give you a ring.
I hope to see you again.
Looking forward to seeing you again. Looking forward to sounds more natural and polite. Looking forward to seeing you again.
Thank you so much.
I owe you one. This is a casual way to say you'll return the favor. I owe you one.
I'm so sorry.
I didn't mean to. This phrase is used to show that it was not intentional. I didn't mean to.
I am a teacher.
I work as a teacher. I work as is more fluid and commonly used by native speakers. I work as a teacher.
I like pizza.
I'm really into pizza. I'm really into makes it sound more enthusiastic and natural. I'm really into pizza.
I love watching movies.
I'm a huge movie buff. Movie buff is a fun, advanced way to say you love movies. I'm a huge movie buff. If you are learning something new, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Comment below your favorite English phrase. Let's continue.
It is interesting.
That's pretty fascinating. Fascinating is a stronger and more expressive word. That's pretty fascinating.
That's bad.
That's really unfortunate. Unfortunate makes it sound more natural. That's really unfortunate.
I will have a burger.
I'd like a burger, please. I'd like is a more polite way to order food at a restaurant. I'd like a burger, please.
Maybe he's busy.
Perhaps he's busy. Perhaps is a more formal alternative and is used often in writing and polite speech. Perhaps he's busy.
I'm bussy.
I'm tied up right now. This phrase is more idiomatic and commonly used in spoken English. I'm tied up right now.
Can you repeat that?
Sorry, I didn't catch that. This way, they sound more natural in English, in a more friendly situation. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
I'm fine.
I can't complain. Can't complain makes you sound more natural and comfortable in English. I can't complain.
I ate a lot.
I'm stuffed. I'm stuffed. It is a way to sound more natural and expressive in English. I'm stuffed.
This is expensive.
That's way too much. With this phrase, you will sound more natural, and it is widely used in ordinary English. That's way too much.
Can I try this?
Can I try this on? This is how you sound more specific for clothing stores. Can I try this on?
Wait a minute.
Hold on a second. Hold on sounds more conversational and friendly. Hold on a second.
I don't care.
I don't mind. This phrase helps you sound less rude and more polite. I don't mind.
Do you want to go out?
Feel like going out? Feel like means want to do something. It is more natural and casual in English. Feel like going out?
I can't go.
Maybe next time.
This way, you will sound more natural and friendly.
Maybe next time.
Don't worry.
No worries. With this expression, you sound more natural in casual speech. No worries.
That's boring.
That's kinda dull. It is a more advanced and more common expression in English. That's kinda dull.
I'm surprised.
You're kidding me. This expression is more common in English and makes you sound more natural. You're kidding me.
I am good at cooking.
I've got a knack for cooking. Have a knack for something is an idiomatic expression meaning to have natural talent or ability for something. I've got a knack for cooking.
You have to stay calm.
Take it easy. Take it easy. It is a very common idiom in English that is used to calm someone down. Take it easy.
Speak louder, please.
Could you speak up a bit? This way, you can sound less rude and more polite. Could you speak up a bit?
I am sick.
I'm feeling under the weather. Feeling under the weather is an idiom meaning to feel unwell or sick, usually with mild symptoms such as a cold or fatigue. I'm feeling under the weather.
My head hurts.
I have a headache. This expression is more natural and common when you talk about some pain symptoms. I have a headache.
I will finish soon.
I'm almost done. It is a more common expression in English that you can use to say that something ends soon. I'm almost done.
You are pretty.
You're absolutely stunning. Stunning means impressive or beautiful. With this expression, you can sound more poetic and emotional. You're absolutely stunning.
I really like you.
I'm into you. It's a relaxed and common way to express romantic interest in someone. I'm into you.
Can you help me?
Could you do me a favor? This expression is more polite and professional, and you can use it at work or study. Could you do me a favor?
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I